They all fear the cold. But the cold wasn't what nearly killed me.
Hypothermia is the famous one. But there's a killer quieter than ice.
This is the story of what I saw just before silence.
What was it?
Something isn't right here. Be careful. No! This isn't right! Get back! Clear ice lies. White ice tells truth. I almost forgot. No sweating. No shivering. That's when I knew. God, it's too cold. Oh no, it's dropping. Too still. Not right. Oh my God. Odorless. That's the devil's signature. Fast, need the wall.
Not enough. Pack it. Harder.
There, now let's see. Wind. Okay. Come on, stupid frozen thing. There, just move. The storm, it's getting worse. I can't see a thing. Keep going. Almost there, almost there. Push. Beauty wants you dead here. Ah! Ah! Help! Two kilometers. That's it, almost there.
Your muscles lie first. Then your mind follows.
I can't breathe.
Doctor will look great.
Just a moment. Okay. Okay. All right, this spot looks good.
Oh.
Woo. Finally, shelter. See? No fog. The air was stealing my breath differently. Look at that, it's growing upwards. Wow. How does that happen? Frost spikes, they're beautiful. Black frost.
Black frost freezes you from inside. No shiver. No warning.
Come on, come on! Just one spark, please. Come on, light. Ah, why won't you start? Got it. Fire doesn't just warm you here. It reminds you to breathe. Heat reflecting in, not out. That's the rule. Cold, but not numb. Alive. Eating warms you from inside, but cold steals that warmth fast. Still fogging. Good. God, please. Please let me make it through the night. Thank you for the warmth. Just a little longer. God, please. Please just let someone see this. Thank you. Oh, thank you. God, please. Please just let someone see this. Thank you. Oh, thank you. The silent killer left. I won. I have to do this. I can't stop now. Just keep going. Oh my God. I found it. Thank God.